Budget Four Success. Woo! And today we've got good vibes only, good vibes only. Come on, baby, come on. We've got good vibes only. We only have good vibes. Yes. Woo! Yes, we got good vibes because today we're going to make money, save money. Cha-ching! We're going to save in our high income binder. So let's get started. Shawoom! All right, you guys remember my beautiful binder from Kay. So blessed. She blessed me with this beautiful binder from Erica, making it bling. So we are going to save some money. How much money are we going to save, mommy? Well, let's count it up. Let's count up the money. Here we go. We got 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 62, 64, 65, which is $650. Cha-ching! Ooh, ooh. Okay, so this is our cute binder. And so let's see, the first savings challenge we are going to save in. This saves a total of 20K. You can get this free on my coffee shop. There's one for 20K and then there's also one for 2,000. Okay, and so let's do this so we can see here. And so the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to save the first 3 rows. Once I finish saving on the first 3 rows, I will take that money and apply it to the next rows down here, and I'll start all over again. I'll erase them and I'll start over. So I'm only going to save $20 and $40 at a time, but I'm a $20 and $40 it all the way to what? 20K. That's what I'm going to do. Yes, yes, yes. So today, let's start off with $80. There we go. 80. We will do this. Let's do the math. That's 80. Now let's see if we got 300. So 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 22, 22, 24, 25, and 5 is 30. So $300. We're putting it all back. We're putting it all back so we can grab $300. Woo! There we go. We have cash condensed our envelope. All right. So if we save this next row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that will be another $200. Yes. And so we'll be at $500. And then we can color in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We can color in all of this because that'll be $500. And then we'll start all over, saving $20 and $40 at a time till we get to $500. And then we'll move down here. And then that's a row of 500. That's a row of 500. That's how we're going to do it. Watch. It'll work. It'll work. Let me tell you, it'll work. Okay, moving on. Enough excitement. So now we are saving this big kahuna. Woo! It's some big heavy hitters in here. I haven't arrived yet. So we're going to start with this. We'll start over here, 225. 275 plus 250 plus 225. So it should be $750 in here. This is my high income binder. This money, guys, is from, I call it my side hustle, but I was asked to come in and step in and do interim work. So I'm an interim finance director for a city. And so this is money that I make from it. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75. Put this back. So this should be $750. So I think we have it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75. So we do. We have $750. So I have a D20 and I'm rolling it, but this was dedicated to Mrs. Rabbit and Mr. Rabbit. Y'all see that? So what are we rolling? Oh, woo, save it. We are saving $16 for Bunny's Savings Challenge. 16 plus, let's see how much is in there. I don't have a lot of change. So 6 plus 9 plus 16, that's $31. So we need $31. Let's see what's in here. Yay, there's $1 in here. So if we would add 10, 15, and 16, let's see. Let's make sure this is right. 10, 15, 20, 25, 22, 23, 24, 25. Whoa, 10, 15, 20, 25, 27, 28, 29, 30. Yes. So 30, and then remember we shortchanged it $1. So we owe $1. All right, there we go. So Miss Bunny and Mr. Rabbit, Mrs. Bunny and Mr. Rabbit, you now have $31 in your envelope. This one is dedicated to Peaches. This again is from Cash Bear Mama. You can get it from her Etsy shop. And we rolled a 4. Now we were supposed to roll a D12, but I didn't. I rolled a D20. So now we got 12. We got $16 total in Peaches. And I just love the dashboard I made for Peaches, y'all. Don't you think it's cute? That is Peaches. So we need $16. So we need $16. We don't have a 10 over there, so we need to do this, I guess. 5, 10, 15, 16. This one, we just saved $25 for each flower. So I was coloring it in blue. This is from S&C Budgets, Cynthia and Cassie J, and it's going to save us $2,500. So we're going to put 25 in here. And let's see, here it is. This is the flower. I'm just so proud of my dashboards. So now we have $50, $70, $90, $95, $100 for the flower challenge. Now we're going to save $100 on a table. So we're going to color in one of these tables. And I'm using green because I told y'all I always wanted green furniture. Don't ask me why I wanted hunter green furniture. Not sure why that was my passion, my desire. Never did get it. Maybe when I buy new furniture, when my son moves out, I'll get it. What do you think? You all deserve hunter green furniture. So this is the dashboard. Let's see how much money we have saved. 5, 10, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25. So $250. That makes sense. $250. So that's what it should be. Okay, the next one is the Panda Panda. Woo, Panda Panda. So this is from Nightlife. The Nightlife. And it's on her coffee shop. So February, it just says February is $50. I don't need a calculator for that. I just need to color in $50 for Panda Panda. So let's cross off one. Can't even see that. Let's do a different color for Panda Panda. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's $50. You're supposed to save $811, I think, is what we are going to save. But for today, we're saving $50. And that's my dashboard. Isn't that cute? So we have $50, $70, $90, $110, $112 for the Panda Savings Challenge. The way you're supposed to do it is every Friday you save the date. So this was on March 1st is a Friday, March 8th is a Friday. So you save that amount every Friday. But I didn't do that. And we're already at the end of the year. So guess what? We're just saving like this. Okay, now we can come over to this little piggy, and this little piggy wants $3. So we'll save $3. I think we'll come back if we still have money left over. That's how we'll do that. I was using purple because you can't even see the pink. So $3. And this is the cute piggy. Right here. Isn't that piggy cute? This little piggy went to market. So now we have 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. It's so crispy. The bills are so crispy. They were sticking together. Okay, the Onyx Challenge. Yay, the Onyx Challenge. This is from... also created by Cash Beer Mama. And you know we're going to save $25. In fact, I should save another, well, I only have. I was going to say I was going to save another one because I missed 1 week. But I only have 20s, so that's not going to work. Unless I have, yeah, that would be 75. What's in here? Oh, that works. Okay, let's do one more. So these are onyx stones. Onyx stone is not only in black, you guys. It does come in other colors. How about that? But this is my dashboard. So 1, 2, 3, that's $75 is what we need. So we can do 20, 40, 60, 75. Put everything else back. So now we have $75. We caught up. Because we've worked on this 1, 2, 3, 60, 70, 75. We have worked on this binder a total of 3 times. And I should have 3 stones marked off. And we were then coloring in Blessed. And I think I'm just going to do 1 letter because we're almost going to finish this. So that's $5. But we'll come back and replace this with another challenge because I need small challenges in here. They can't all be big challenges. So we got 5, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. So $15. And my girl who is meditating, prayer, something that I have shared time and time again. I recommend you do every morning or at night or both. Okay, so we'll save $40 when we're done. And then we're going to color in another letter. And I think I rolled the dice. And I said I was going to roll a D6. Because you have to have, you know, 2 different type of savings challenges. So we rolled a 5. So what color is next? I think I feel red. So I'll color this in later. But $5. $5 in here. This is another lady who is praying and meditating. So she had 5, so we can put this 5 back. And now we have 10, and she is good to go. That's my dashboard. I'm so proud of my little dashboards. I have this desire to, you know, be a true Etsyr, but I'm still working on my craft. I'm still honing my skills. All right, let's roll this dice and see what do we scratch off. Because this is from my girl, Bunny. Hopping in the budget with Bunny, 4. So we were here apparently. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got $5. I got 5 on it. Yes. All right, now let's go roll again. We be rolling. 2, 1, 2. Oh wow, just $1. Thank you. That was so nice, Bunny. We're gonna roll again. Now this whole thing though saves you $184, so it's no joke. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The nice thing is they're all under $10. Like, so you know you're not going over 10. So this is a total of $15. I don't have 15, so I guess I'll roll again. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 9. 24. Let's make it a good number. $28, $38. So we have $40. Pick a scratcher. Woo! So we need to get $2 back. I wonder if there's $2 in here. There are $2 in here. So now we have 20, 40, 50, 62. So that's 62 and 5 is $67. We are jamming on this scratcher. Okay, so we have $40 left. I can go back. We will not be scratching because we don't want to have an IOU. We could go back to here and add $40 to the very beginning. So that's good. We've colored in another box. So we have $340. Okay, now let's go to Panda. I bet you we can find something for 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I bet you we can find something for $9 on Panda. What you think? Or Piggy. Let's do Piggy of $9 right here. This little piggy. $9. Perfect. Thank you, Nightlife. That's why I have challenges like this in here, so that when we have money left over, we can put the money in and not have, an IOU or anything. That's the whole objective, is to save, not owe. So now we have 25, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, $36. I like to group my ones into stacks of 5 so I can count them easier. But now I only have 4. So there we go. Thank you, my piggy bank. That's from the Nightlife. All right, that's it, guys. We are done with our fun. We have cashed up $650. This whole binder, I forget how much it's going to save us, but it's going to be a lot of money. Actually, there's no way to know how much it's going to save us because there's some roll the dice in here. So you got to roll the dice and see. But we're going to save a lot of money. This is from my side hustle. So I encourage you to get a side hustle and then take some money from that side hustle and save it. Save it, save it, save it. That's all I have for today. I had so much fun hanging out with you guys, and I really encourage you to look for ways to do things that you love and monetize it. The best way to get ahead, the best way to build your wealth is to generate alternate sources, or I call it MRS, multiple revenue sources. Mrs. Yes, because I like lots of money coming in from all directions. So that's my word for the day, is to create MRS, Mrs. Multiple revenue sources. If you like this video and you want more videos, please like, comment, and subscribe to Budget for Success. Bye for now. Love you guys.